All right, Mountain View pressure washing, Vancouver, Washington, doing the job. See all the mold up there? Lady thinks she has to repaint it. I said, no, we can fix it. If you want to kill your roof, the life of your roof, absolutely the best thing to do is just let this mold grow underneath the shingles. It will lift the shingle, break that seal, and guess what? Dirt and stuff gets in there. Vinyl sinks. Vinyl siding, you see all the algae. This is actually the good side. Yeah, this is the good side. Stick around, part 2.